Hi guys, Mr. Hescox here, trying to give you guys some help on this predator-prey activity that I have. So this is all about deer and wolves. Basically, in many places of the world, the deer population is controlled by wolves. So I took this from page 263 of the One Science book. This is an island's population of deer and then the number of populations of gray wolves. So everyone's assignment has a Google Sheet attached, and then you're going to be able to graph. So to graph this, you're going to graph the deer, and then you're going to graph your wolves, and you'll be able to see how the populations of the deer and the wolves affect. When you're doing this, skip A1. Here we're going to put our deer in B1. We'll put the wolves in C1. And then in A2, we'll start typing in our years. I'm not going to do all of this because you guys are going to do the rest of this on your own, but I'll do a few of them here for you. So we'll do the first four. So the deer are 285 in the first year, while the wolves are just 85. So the wolves are much lower than the deer. You have 140, so way less deer here, way more wolves. So something happened when the wolves went up, the deer went down. When the wolves went up too high, we went down to 75 deer, significantly lower. And we only have 100. Now we have 140 wolves, so that's never going to be a good thing. 2 years later, we're at 145 deer, and our wolf population has crashed to 55. So you guys will do the rest of these, but for our sake, you'll type this in, then you'll highlight from A1 all the way down to, this is going to be C. You guys will go all the way to the end of your data. So once you have this highlighted, it'll look slightly different on your iPads, or you can use the Chromebooks in my room. We're going to graph this, and it looks like a button that says Insert Chart. So when you click on Insert Chart, here it wants to make a line graph, which is good because anytime you do change over time, you want to use a line graph. We're going to go under Customize. The chart style can stay the same. Chart title. So this is population of deer and wolves over time. Something like that. That's the chart title. The horizontal axis, or the x-axis, will be the years, time in years. And we can go vertical axis, which is the y-axis over here. This is the number of organisms, or the population. And it already separates your time. Now you guys can jazz it up. You can change the color and stuff if you want. I don't care if you do or not. If you're doing this on a Chromebook or on a computer, it's really nice because you can add data labels to it by clicking on that box right there. Makes it easier to read. So there's some other things you can do. Then what you want to do, if you're on your iPad, you'll just screenshot your graph. If you're in a Chromebook or on your computer at home, you just hit copy chart, bring it over, and you'll drop it onto your Google Doc. Make sure that you do not hit the pen button. Make sure that you open it up in the Google Doc, and then you have some questions to answer. So this is there just to help you guys. If you need anything, I'll be in touch. So, until then, ladies and gentlemen, you guys have a great day and make sure you're keeping up with your work. And I think you'll have fun with this activity. Bye bye.